Hello everyone. How to fix a problem internet not connected through Windows 7 on Lenovo T 2400 T2400. We go to internet connection here. When we connect here, it give us a problem here. Internet is not connected. Some problem appear here. So I go to the system. This is the error. We go to search here and write system, and from system select device manager and see the problem. If there is any problem in the network adapters, all network adapters are good, in good state. So how to fix it? We open the Internet Explorer or any browser. We have the problem here, diagonalize connection. So we go to tools, and from tools internet options, and from internet options advanced, and here restore advanced setting, and from reset select delete personal and press reset. After pressing reset here, we close. Okay, now for changes to take effect, you will need to restart your Internet Explorer. Okay, no problem. Okay, now close it and restart it here. Ask me later. Here, go to Google. This is not valid. Google. Same problem. May change the date because we have some problem here. So change date and time.